I want to show my seeds that I collect. Every one of these seeds came from my garden. It's actually pretty impressive when you have them all laid out here. And this is about 2/3 of them. So I'll start over here with, well, they're kind of mixed up. 2024 is here, 2023 is here, so I'll start with 2025. This year is not quite as productive. Everything along this area is 2025. All this stuff, like I said, came from my garden. And I'll share my garden, it's not a huge place. So, but to be able to save a lot of these seeds, I have to cover them up with netting to keep them from the birds. I got carrots, I got cucumbers, these are Armenian. Keep in mind this is a hot climate, so I grow stuff that can take the heat. Got kinds of radishes, wintertime. There's a loofah gourd I just grew recently. There's long beans around the summertime. Egyptian spinach does really good here. Purple peas wintertime. This is I call it wild lilikoi. It's actually wild. It's actually passion fruit that's from North America. I got eggplant, purple barley wintertime, Malabar spinach, arugula, some more eggplants, different varieties. Here's some peas, chicory, beans. I can go on and on and on. There's more and more, but let's go to the next 2023. This has a lot more. You got the carrots over here, different varieties, arugula, culantro, purslane seeds I saved, which I don't save anymore. They're growing all over the place now. Peas, Uzbek carrots, Malabar spinach, barley. Some of the same stuff, but I try to grow as much as I can, save as much as I can, because you never know if you're going to get the same amount the next year or if you're going to get any. I try to put them to, I've run out of packages. I've bought a lot of seeds from Baker Creek, as you can see, but now I'm reusing the packages, and I write out what they are. Here's Galilean spinach, purple raster radish, rutabaga. It's the same as this. Sugar pea, rapini. It was parsley package. You get the idea. Parsley, green peas, black barley, king tut peas, pumpkin. Coming over here, a few more different varieties. This is some cilantro. I grow a lot of that. More carrots, all kinds of radish. Well, a few radishes. You don't see them, they're buried. Anyway, there's some right there. White radishes, purple radishes, green radishes, dill, more white radish. This is Indian snake bean, Galilean spinach, really good stuff. Kamatsuna, barley, daikon, good mustard. This mustard is really good variety. It looks good. Don't even look at the colors on the package. That's nothing to do with what it is. This is peas, kamatsuna, mustard, Oswald, eggplant, purple radish. Anyway, that's my seeds. And I also have more over here. These are the older ones. So it's December, so a lot of stuff I'm not planning till already planted, or I might not plant till next year. So the reason I'm showing all this stuff is that a lot of people think they gotta buy seeds all the time, but you don't have to. Find something that grows good in your area and just save 1 or 2 plants, cover them up, and start going to seeds so the birds don't eat them, and then you're good. I have my basil in a different area. I totally forgot about that. I'll show that in just a second. So here's the basil. All these packages here, the ones that I saved. Well, actually, that's these two. Those I bought, and I bought quite a bit of basil. I'm not buying it anymore. Now I'm using the seeds. Here's the seeds from different previous years. 2022, 2024, and I don't have any this year yet, but I will be getting some. Our favorites are cardinal, Persian basil, and opal, and Thai. They're all favorite. These are the seeds I was collecting before. Some of these are mixed, I don't know what they are, but a lot of them, now I'm really careful the way I collect them. So I probably grow 8 different varieties. I think 9, but I'm not always keeping the same varieties. Sometimes I just discontinue them if I don't like them. So this is the garden. As you can see, it's not that big. I also grow 7 or 8 varieties of sweet potatoes. For Vegas, it's a pretty good sized backyard for newer homes. For really old homes, they had much bigger backyards. So all those seeds come from this backyard. And every year I'm getting more seeds, collecting them, try to use them, give them to people. I like doing it. It's kind of a hobby. This whole garden thing is a hobby. I enjoy doing it. It's a lot of fun for me. I like growing new things every year, and some of the old stuff too. See how well I can get to grow. It's beautiful weather now. Our favorite wild creatures that come visit us are hummingbirds. And for me, second favorite is the lizards that we get in the summertime.